Hey, what's up, everyone? My name is Mackenzie, and I'm a project manager here at Wit Digital. And my role is to manage all of our website build projects throughout every step and be the point of contact with our partners throughout that process. And something I wanted to address that I get asked quite frequently actually is in regards to, your current website and its ranking, and then also how we are going to preserve all of that content on the new website and have it work effectively on the new website. And that's where this handy tool called a sitemap comes into play. So, a sitemap is essentially a visual representation that we build out to show you exactly how we are going to tackle the content aspect of your new website. And here at WIT, we take the extra step and we include a quite a bit of extra work in our sitemaps. We actually go through and we research various keywords that we know are going to be performing really well for that service area and those services. And we include new meta and descriptions throughout those pages because we really care about ensuring that not only does your current content perform really well, but it's going to actually perform better than it is right now on the new website. And we do that by building out this sitemap and just, we review it with every single one of our partners to make sure they know exactly what our game plan is with the new content and with the current content, and that they are on board with what we've got in store for them. So that's what I just wanted to briefly touch base on. And it's just a small step, but a very important step in the website build process. And here at WIT, we just take it really seriously because we take results very seriously. That is really what we strive for with every new website build. And, feel free to reach out to anyone on this team if you have any questions in regards to your current website and how we can help improve those results. Thanks so much.